Today we will learn multiplication of 3 digit by 2 digit. So we will understand with 3 examples. So first example is 238 multiplied by 61. So what we will get the answer of that. So first we will multiply this number with 6 and we will get the answer is 1428. Now add 0 here because the number should be in 5 digit. And after that, multiply 238 from 1, you will get 238, right? So then add 8, 1, 1 is here, is 5, and 4, and 1. So this is the answer of this number. The answer is 14518. Now, example is 123 multiplied by 117. So first we will multiply 123 is from 1, which is equals to 1, 2, 3. Now add 2, 0 because these numbers are 5-digit number. And after that, we will multiply again from 1 and start from now 2. 1, 2, 3 and add 0. And after that, 123 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 86. Now 861. 861. Now add all these numbers 1, 9, 13, 4, 1. So the answer is 1439. And answer is same if you multiply it from calculator. Now understand with another example. Suppose multiply 143 by 2. So its answer is 286 and add 20 because this is 3-digit number. We have to make it 5-digit number. And after that, we will multiply 143 is from 1. Again, we get 1430. And again, we will multiply from this one 143. Now add both of them 3, 7, 11, 10, and 1 is 3. So 30173 is this the answer of this number, this 3-digit. So I hope you understand my this trick. You will learn. You can apply this trick on any 3 digits and any 3-digit multiplied by 2-digit number. If you like this trick, so please subscribe our channel for more tricks and for more videos.